So recently I tried out the Figma MCP and I was really blown away at how good it was. So I wanted to create a quick video walking through me using it. And the thing that I'm going to do with it is I'm going to update my personal portfolio site. It's pretty basic, so I think it's a good example of something that we can get done pretty quickly. This is just a site that I have to kind of tell people who I am and some links to some of my social profiles. And I don't really update it that often, and I haven't really done any design work on it in a long time. So I have this Figma design that I want to test out. And what I would like to do is just provide the link to this Figma design and then just have the MCP handle everything else for me. So the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to actually be using Devin, and I already have the MCP hooked up. And I have all of my repos that I would like to work with Devin already configured. So I can just say, hey, Devin, and I can pass in the message. The message is going to be this: please update my personal portfolio site with this Figma design. And then I add a few more instructions here. And all we have to do is just hit enter, and we can then watch Devin work. As Devin works, we can also go into the Devin web app and see the session updating in real time. Okay, now that Devin is finished, we get a message saying that our PR is up and ready to preview. So we can go ahead and click View PR. And here we can scroll down and we can see that screenshots have been taken. We've looked and we can see now both the light and the dark mode. And we should have a link to preview this deployment here. So we can go ahead and check it out. And this is my new design. It looks like we have dark mode by default. And if we go ahead and switch over to light mode, we can see that that seems to be working pretty good. Links to my GitHub, to my X, all of that seems to be working pretty good. And we have a link to my terminal. So that's it. It looks like this was successful. We were able to one-shot this using an MCP with Figma. There are a couple of things that I might polish up a little bit. So for instance, if I go to dark mode, you can see that this lightning is barely visible. And maybe I want to go in and polish up some of the text here. And we can also do that through Slack as well. So, I'm not going to go into that because it's pretty simple. I could pretty much just say, hey, Devin, update my achievements in my professional life to be this, that, or the other. I can update the clients and employers with different text and links and things like that. But the whole idea is to kind of show two things. One, how this Figma MCP is really good. And two, how you might be able to work with Devin for something like this. So thanks for checking this out. I'll provide links to everything that we just went over.